Digital School for Kids.
A. Draw two diagonal lines that meet at the top, forming a peak. Connect these lines with a horizontal line near the middle. A. A is for alligator. B. Draw a vertical line. Add two half circles on the right side of the vertical line, one above the other. B. B is for ball. C. Draw a large curved line from top to bottom resembling an open circle. C. C is for cat. D. Draw a vertical line. Add a large half circle to the right of the vertical line. D. D is for dog. E. Draw a vertical line. Add three horizontal lines, one at the top, one at the middle, and one at the bottom. E. E is for elephant. F. Draw a vertical line. Add two horizontal lines, one at the top and one in the middle. F. F is for fish. G. Draw a large curved line, like a C. Add a small horizontal line at the end of the bottom curve, pointing to the center. G. G is for giraffe. H. Draw two vertical lines parallel to each other. Connect these lines with a horizontal line in the middle. H. H is for heart. I. Draw a vertical line. I. I is for ice cream. J. Draw a vertical line. Curve the bottom end to the left to J. J is for jellyfish. K. Draw a vertical line. Draw two slanting lines from the middle of the vertical line. K. K is for kangaroo. L. Draw a vertical line. Add a horizontal line at the bottom. L. L is for lion. M. Draw two vertical lines. Connect them at the top with two slanting lines that meet in the middle, forming an M. M. M is for monkey. N. Draw two vertical lines. Connect them with a diagonal line. N. N is for nightingale. O. Draw a circle. O. O is for octopus. P. Draw a vertical line. Add a half circle on the right side of the vertical line at the top. P. P is for parrot. Q. Draw an oval. Add a small diagonal line coming from the bottom right of the oval. Q. Q is for queen. R. Draw a vertical line. Add a semicircle attached to the right side at the top. Add a diagonal line from the middle to the bottom right. R. R is for rabbit. S. Draw an S shape. S. S is for sheep. T. Draw a vertical line. Add a horizontal line at the top. T. T is for tiger. U. Draw a U shape. U. U is for umbrella. V. Draw two diagonal lines that are meted downward on a common top point. V. V is for vulture. W. Draw two V shapes connected each other. W. W is for whale. X. Draw two diagonal lines crossing each other. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Draw a small V shape at the top. Add a vertical line from the bottom point of the V. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Draw a horizontal line at the top. Draw a diagonal line connecting the top right to the bottom left. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom. Z. Z is for zebra.